How to use the PHM brand's Mixograph and Mini Mill. To start, we need to make a composite. Each composites are made exactly with 100 grams of each sample. Because I had 3 samples, my composite would be 300 grams. Next, we add our composite to the mini mill. This machine will give us the flour needed. To turn on the mill, all you have to do is switch the switch to the left to 1 and make sure that the switch on the right is set to open. When there is no more wheat at the top and the mill stops making noise, the milling process is over. Turn the knob to 0. Then you can check on your flour. Dispose of the byproduct. Weigh out 35 grams of flour. You can use these dimensions to find out the amount of water you needed depending on the moisture in the wheat. Next, we add our sample to the mixograph. The small side goes in first like so, then clip the side in. Next, align the mixograph paper in the receiving hole. After this, carefully push the paper down so you can add the metal rod, as I am about to do. Now screw in your mixograph pin. Then push down the top of the mixograph. Once you have done this, start the timer for 10 minutes, then turn the clock on. After that, make sure you turn the paper drive on. Now, before you turn the mixer on, you have to make sure that the paper drive, the pen is aligned with the line. Once the paper is aligned, turn the mixer switch on. You can see here I'm aligning the pen with the brown lines on the mixograph paper. Then I'm turning the mixer switch on. Let the test run for its 10 minutes. I continue to apply a little bit of pressure in the receiving hole so the paper does not get punched up, but that is up to you. Next, when your graph is done, it's time to clean up. Add your borax to the mixing bowl and add about 12 milliliters of water and turn the mixer switch on. Make sure the pen is off of the paper. Next, draw a line between the start of the incline and right before the graph drops. After this, count every 2 lines as 1 minute. Count the amount of 1 minute marks, and this will be the R value. The 2 times the R value is equal to the stability. As you can see here, I'm drawing 1 minute for every 2 lines, and then I'm skipping another 2 lines, and that's 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So R would equal 4, and stability would equal 8.